Liverpool is the original red brick. We're part of the Russell Group. Chemistry has been here since the beginning, and it's grown so much and it's still growing. So even since I have finished my PhD, this building has popped up. So we've got brand new teaching laboratories. The Materials Innovation Factory has popped up since I've become a lecturer. So there's this ever evolving situation in the chemistry department, just to reflect the ever evolving way that science has changed and chemistry has evolved over, the past few hundred years.
We combine both the classical approach to teaching, being the classical university, with very modern implementations of techniques and procedures that we do here.
When I think about the research at Liverpool, it's so diverse across the chemistry department. Obviously, we've got a lot of materials research that goes on, and it really is world class. And all of that feeds into our teaching. I think what we do really well in the chemistry department is collaboration. In this building alone, we collaborate with physics, the environmental sciences, archaeology. You've got the opportunity to collaborate with industry. Unilever are really strong collaborators of the Materials Innovation Factory, and our students have access to those collaborations.
This is also one of our strong selling points. We give students opportunity to practice in those real industrial jobs before they even graduated.
The approach that the chemistry department has here at Liverpool is that they know their students really well, so we get to know them. It's a very personal relationship. Our students know all of the PhD students, they know all of the support staff as well, and all of the staff know them. So they know what their career goals are, they know how to guide them in that direction.
We give them all the opportunities they need to define themselves, to find that unique route for themselves, as you say, on basis of just not only learning chemistry, but learning also other things that will be important for them.
You look at a chemist and you think, yeah, they work in a lab and wearing a white coat, but actually chemists these days have to be able to code, they have to be able to operate a robot. There's so many other skills that they need to be able to present, they need to be able to communicate themselves in a written form. It's not just about excellence in research, it's also about excellence in teaching, and we've got a number of NTF, that's National Teaching Fellows within the chemistry department.
We have 2 Fellow of the Royal Society, that is the highest scientific achievement basically in science that one can get. So we have also Regius Chair now, but we also have an excellent number of the leaders in the research that are also great teachers and motivate our students to follow different paths in chemistry and different careers. Our department is very international, so we have a number of international staff. I think we are the most diverse department here in the university, but we also attract a lot of international students. So we even have a collaboration and joint programs with Liverpool Jiaotong University in China.
So the chemistry department really exploit that reciprocal relationship with XJTLU, because not only do we have the 2+2 programme where Chinese students come to us, but also our home students, if you like, or British students, or even international students that have come to study in Liverpool, then have the opportunity to go and study in China as well. They also have the opportunity to go to places like Australia, Canada, Thailand. So thinking about where our students go after they graduate, it's quite a diverse spectrum, I would say. So we've had formulation chemists go on to work for Lambrini and develop new flavours for Lambrini wines.
Our students go to companies like AstraZeneca to make pharmaceutical development, and GSK and BMS. Many students prefer to take our degree as their fundamental degree, their base degree, and then after BSc proceed to completely different type of masters. For instance, we have several students who did MBAs after, and who did just the marketing degrees or management degrees. They just would like a very good degree that open many doors after.
Doing a chemistry degree, that's only the beginning. Yeah. It's going to take you wherever you want to go, and that's your decision.
If I would choose University of Liverpool to study here, I would first look at the opportunities that this university will create for me. And in chemistry, we have a number of those opportunities, and students themselves choose their own career. Students themselves choose which opportunities to get and how to use those opportunities that we create for them.
I would choose the University of Liverpool because we allow students almost to choose their own path through our degree programmes. We allow students to, with support, navigate their own path and have a personalised degree.